Hello, how are you? This is Esther Molina, and today I'm gonna decorate a Hobonichi page with Sticky Kid stickers from the set of October and some of their washi tapes too. So, oh, sorry, let's get started. Today is the second Tsukimi in Japan. Tsukimi is the moon festival. The most famous one is the first one. We have three in autumn, but usually people doesn't know. They just celebrate the first, that was September 23rd to September 24th, that night, with the full moon on September 24th. That's the first full moon of autumn. But on the second one, in the old times, following the lunar calendar, it was the almost the end of the harvest, so they celebrate with the second full moon of autumn. What happened is, like in the old times, they didn't celebrate just the full moon night, they celebrate the crescent moon up to it gets full. So with modern times, it's getting shorter and shorter. Nobody even celebrates second and third tsukimi, but it's there, yeah. So some rural areas in Japan, they do. So I'm gonna decorate this page using some of these super mega cute stickers in Japan for the Moon Festival. We make this dango balls. This is mochi. It's a type of rice that is very glutinous, and we mix with we boil it and we chop it, not chop it, like crush it. Oh yeah, in a kind of like wood thing with these sticks, and then it becomes very sticky like a paste, and then we make these balls and they are sweet and they are really yummy. And we offer this to the moon as a thanks for the harvest. And in Japan, is believed like the shape of the moon. The shadows on the moon, they have the shape of a rabbit making mochi. So yeah, this is why there's so many rabbits. And the plant of this season is called Suzuki. Is this thing? I don't know how to call it in English. I'm so sorry, but this plant is everywhere in Japan, and there's fields with this, so beautiful. People goes there to watch them. So let's start it. I'm using some washi tape that Sticky Kit included this month, and I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, I love this washi tape. I think it's really pretty. I'm not using the scissors today. Sometimes I feel like using the washi tape, cutting the washi tape with stickers, but not today. Oh, sorry, I should have bring. Okay, it's a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna put this. And I have this washi tape. Actually, a friend of mine gave it to me a long time ago. Like, like samples of washi tape. We share some. So this one, as you can see, it has a moon with a rabbit. I think it's really cute. So I'm gonna use some a little bit here. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here. Usually I use this space to write if I watch a movie or it's some special day in Japan. Actually today is a special day, but I'm just gonna use the washi tape. Okay, good. And these stickers are really adorable. These three are almost the same. The only thing that changes is the color of the moon. I'm gonna use this one, gold. It's so pretty. So let's place this here. Yeah, I like it like that. Wonderful. And I don't know the name of these flowers, but they are seasonal too. These are really nice. I think I'm gonna use this yellow one here. Okay, perfect. And because in Tsukimi time we kind of like go out and have some night picnic. Today was a really nice day in Japan to make a picnic. Actually, I'm gonna use other washi tape that came also with the kit. This is really nice, and I'm gonna Oops, I'm gonna place some. It's a strong washi tape, that's good. Okay, these are like, oh, this is so pretty. Food, like picnic, kind of autumn picnic food in Japan, typical. So I think I'm gonna, I should have, can I remove the, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna fake it, no problem. I'm gonna overlap this. Usually I don't put that much decoration, but just today it's gonna be fun. Okay, so this is right here, and where's my knife? Here. I should have planned this better before, but because I didn't, let's just try to fake that the washi tape is under the sticker. So be careful if you use a craft knife on Hobonichi, because the paper is so thin, you can really cut the paper. Okay, so I'm just cutting carefully around. Because the stickers has some volume, it's quite easy to follow it. Okay, oh, that was a lot easier than expected. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, so the page looks a little bit busy, but I love it just like that this time. And I'm going to use a bit of these momiji leaves. They're so pretty. So to get them easily, you just push like that, and then you get the leaf. Oh my goodness, this is really, really beautiful. Oh wow. Okay, let me get a small one. Oh my. Overlapping them, they look so pretty. Yes. Wow. And this one. So beautiful, and the detail of the cat is amazing. It's really, really amazing. One more big one. Wow, so lovely. Oh yeah, one more. Yeah, red one. Yeah, this one here. Love it. The gradation of these stickers is amazing. These stickers are exclusive from Sticky Kid, so you can't buy them anywhere in Japan. So the only way to get them, sometimes Sticky Kid, if they have extra of the stickers, you can buy them on their website after they deliver all the sets. So I don't know, maybe you can check if you did or had no chance to get the set because it was sold out. Maybe you still have time to get the stickers, I'm not sure, but check their website for that. So this is ready. I'm just going to journal here, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.